I'm on it bad. Like, who gonna pull me up off it? I love to see you try.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now.
As you guys can see by the title of the video, I'm not even sure what I'm naming the video, but Lori just celebrated her birthday, and her makeup artist Diana Shin, I already filmed a video off of one of her makeup styles on my channel. If you guys want to check it out, I will link it in the cards as well as down below in the description box. She had this really pretty, just very subtle green look, and I just love makeup looks that add a very light pop of color because it can make something that looks so simple look so glamorous. And then also, as I was going through, because I wanted to try to find the exact shade that Diana used on Lori, I remembered this look that I saw Rokael post with LaLa. I hadn't had this screenshot and saved in my gallery for so long, and it's time for me to do it. So what I'm going to do is kind of combine both of those looks. However, I do like the green that Lori was wearing for her birthday, so I'm definitely going to try to focus more towards that shade. But yeah, the look is super simple. Hopefully this video should not take long at all, and let's go ahead and get into it. So with Lori, it looks like it's literally just a color placed on the lid, like a very muted skin tone based shadow, and then an accent of green. Whereas with LaLa, it looks like the eye is fully green and you can see the cut a little bit. So I'm going to essentially do LaLa's eye with the green that Lori had. The color that Lori had was like this very pretty, gorgeous emerald green, whereas LaLa had more of like a Kelly green look. And while I would love to do that, I feel like every time I do green liner, it's literally always that Kelly green. So I wanted to give this a different approach. I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette in the shade Egypt to set the top wing as well as the bottom wing. And then I'll be back with some mascara. So the wings aren't done. The next part of both of their looks were definitely the bottom lashes. Y'all already know I'm on this mascara bad. I'm on it bad. Like, who gonna pull me up off it? I love to see you try. This Essence Princess Lash False Effect Mascara. Yes, my $5 mascara, the former mascara snob, has found her holy grail for only $5. This mascara make the lashes pop so good. So as far as the rest of the look is concerned, I don't know why I didn't consider this, because I should have put a shadow on it so that way this green really pops. So I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette, a flesh toned shade, which is, I hate that these shades are like backwards on here. The shade I'm gonna be using is called Pooter. That's crazy. I'm just gonna put that right there just a little bit so there's some type of backdrop to the shadow. I guess we could do my 427 blush. Not an exclusive. She's dropping blush. You guys honestly have seen this blush so many times, I just wasn't saying anything. Lip, per usual, y'all already know, 427 Beauty in the shade Chalk. And so with both Lori and LaLa, the lip colors that they had were both very natural. So I'm just gonna use my 427 lip juice in the shade Flesh. It is one of our new shades. And clearly you guys can see why I call it Flesh. It's literally just my lip color. Alright you guys, so I am back with the final look. I did go ahead and change my top. I felt like it would be remiss if I didn't join them in wearing my green. This is actually a top that I got from Target. If it's still available on their website, I'll link it down below in the description box. I did get this a couple months ago, so it may not be. Once I started to kind of finish up the look, I'm like, damn, I think I kind of did something like this, and it clicked. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier in the video, but the look, the LaLa look that this is inspired by was also done by Rokael, and Rokael is Beyonce's makeup artist, and Beyonce wore a look that was very similar to this. It was just more of a turquoise than a green or an emerald per se in the video already from the get out. If you guys like this look, don't forget to thumbs up, comment down below. I think I'm kind of back in like my celebrity recreation or inspired by bag. So if there's any looks that you guys would like to see me recreate, definitely make sure that you leave it down below in the comment section. As always, all products that I use will be listed down below in the description box, and I will see you on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.